If you are new to outdoor cooking and want to achieve authentic smoky flavors, you are in the right place. The best tabletop pellet smoker for beginners makes it easy to enjoy delicious grilled, smoked, and seared meals without the hassle of large, complicated grills. Today, we will take you through 5 top-rated smokers that are perfect for beginners, combining portability, ease of use, and incredible taste. Each of these options brings unique features and performance to your backyard or patio cooking experience. The product links are in the description below, so you can check them out while watching. Now, let's get started with the video. At number 1, we have the Ninja 7-in-1 Woodfire Pellet Smoker, a versatile choice that stands out as one of the best tabletop pellet smokers for beginners. This compact yet powerful unit is designed to deliver the authentic smoky flavor of wood pellets while being powered by electricity, making it both beginner-friendly and convenient. Built with durable stainless steel inside and out, it weighs 30.6 pounds and features dimensions of 23.62 by 18.58 by 13.31 inches, making it an ideal size for patios, balconies, or outdoor kitchens. What makes the Ninja Woodfire Pellet Smoker so impressive is its ability to master multiple cooking functions. It works as a grill, barbecue smoker, and even an outdoor air fryer, allowing you to enjoy grilled steaks, smoked brisket, or crispy fries all from a single unit. Using Ninja Woodfire technology, it delivers authentic smoky flavor with just half a cup of real hardwood pellets, ensuring you get the taste without wasting fuel. Beginners will appreciate how foolproof it is to achieve the perfect barbecue bark or smoky finish without needing to constantly manage heat or flame. With its weather-resistant design, you can cook outdoors year-round without worrying about storage issues. The smoker also offers plenty of cooking capacity, whether you are preparing 6 steaks, 30 hot dogs, 3 pounds of wings, or even a 9-pound brisket. Included accessories like a non-stick grill grate, crisper basket, pellet scoop, and starter packs of Ninja Woodfire pellets make it ready to use right out of the box. This combination of electric convenience, compact design, and rich woodfire taste makes the Ninja 7-in-1 Woodfire Pellet Smoker a must-have for beginners wanting professional quality results. Taking the second spot is the Oklahoma Joe's Tabletop Charcoal Grill, a strong contender for anyone searching for the best tabletop pellet smoker for beginners who also want the traditional flavor of charcoal cooking. Built with heavy-duty steel and finished with a durable high-temperature coating, this grill is designed to withstand frequent outdoor use while resisting rust over time. Measuring 19.5 by 26.8 by 21.8, it is compact enough for patios, decks, and camping trips, yet still offers an impressive 218 square inch cooking surface. This allows you to grill up to 6 burgers, 4 steaks, or a dozen brats with ease. One of its standout features is the cast iron cooking grates, which hold heat efficiently and leave those signature sear marks that every griller loves. The adjustable charcoal tray gives you complete control over the heat, whether you want to slow cook with indirect heat or sear with high direct flames. Managing your fire is made even easier with the intake damper system, which lets you fine-tune the oxygen flow for precise temperature control. Beginners will find the lid-mounted temperature gauge especially helpful, with glow-in-the-dark accents for visibility during evening cooking sessions. Cleanup is also straightforward thanks to the removable ash pan that neatly collects ashes for quick disposal. Thoughtful details like a cool touch rubberized handle and sturdy side handles make this grill not only safe to use but also easy to carry and reposition when needed. While it runs on lump charcoal or briquettes rather than pellets, its versatility and straightforward design make it an excellent stepping stone for beginners learning the art of smoky outdoor cooking. With its combination of durable build, heat control options, and portable design, the Oklahoma Joe's Tabletop Charcoal Grill is a practical pick for those starting their barbecue journey. Next on our list is the Z-Grill's Tabletop Wood Pellet Smoker, an excellent option for those seeking the best tabletop pellet smoker for beginners with a balance of portability, precision, and smoky flavor. Designed with a compact profile of 25 by 20 by 13 inches and weighing just 23.6 kilograms, this model is easy to transport, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or backyard cooking. Built with durable alloy steel inside and out, it offers strength and longevity while maintaining a sleek black finish. The Z-Grill ZPG 200 is more than just a smoker. It is an 8-in-1 cooking powerhouse that allows you to grill, roast, smoke, braise, sear, barbecue, char, and broil. Beginners will appreciate how versatile it is, giving them the freedom to experiment with various cooking styles, whether low and slow or hot and fast. Equipped with advanced PID 2.0 technology, this smoker maintains steady temperatures within a precise range of 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent results with every cook. The included LCD screen and meat probes make monitoring internal temperature simple, allowing you to track your food without constantly opening the lid. The 8-pound pellet hopper provides up to 10 hours of smoking without the need for frequent refilling, which is perfect for long cooking sessions like briskets or ribs. Cleanup is also easy thanks to the non-stick grill surface, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Its combination of portability, advanced features, and flavorful wood pellet cooking makes it a reliable choice for beginners eager to achieve professional quality results. The Z-Grill's tabletop wood pellet smoker stands out as a smart investment for anyone who wants an approachable yet powerful smoker to begin their barbecue journey. At number 4, the Exit Fire & Go 20V Wood Pellet Smoker offers one of the most innovative designs in the outdoor cooking world, making it a standout for anyone considering the best tabletop pellet smoker for beginners. This model is the world's first transformer-style pellet smoker, delivering a 56% larger cooking area while maintaining a 35% smaller size compared to standard portable smokers. With compact dimensions of 17.3 by 21.7 by 9.7 inches and a weight of 40.8 pounds, it folds into a size no bigger than a 20-inch suitcase, making it incredibly travel-friendly for camping, tailgating, or outdoor adventures. What truly sets this pellet smoker apart is its dual power system. It can run on a replaceable lithium-ion battery for full portability or plug into a standard outlet using the included AC adapter for extended use. The adjustable temperature range from 160 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit supports up to 8 cooking styles, from slow smoking to searing, giving beginners the confidence to experiment with different methods. Its smart temperature control system takes the guesswork out of cooking by automatically adjusting pellet feed and fan speed, ensuring steady heat and consistent results without constant monitoring. Finally, at number 5, we have the Pit Boss Tabletop Wood Pellet Grill, a powerful yet portable option that secures its place among the best tabletop pellet smokers for beginners. Built with a heavy-duty steel body and finished with a high-temperature powder coating, this compact smoker is both durable and reliable, making it suitable for frequent outdoor use. Measuring 18.7 by 18.7 by 14.2 inches and weighing just over 43 pounds, it offers portability without sacrificing performance. The standout feature of this model is its flame broiler system, which allows direct flame searing at temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you steakhouse-quality sears right at home. With a 7-pound hopper capacity, fueled by 100% all-natural hardwood pellets, the grill provides hours of flavorful smoking and grilling without constant refilling. Its porcelain-toted cast iron grates and porcelain-coated steel racks ensure even heat distribution while being easy to clean. Beginners will appreciate the digital temperature control, which automatically maintains consistent heat throughout the cooking process, as well as the convection-style airflow system that guarantees even cooking every time.